Am I audible? Am I audible, बच्चा लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please put your cameras on. I don't know why I feel you all are not able to hear me. You are not able to hear me. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
your
in the
voice is
last-
breaking, ma'am.
Now also it is breaking. I have shifted it from the laptop to the mobile. Barira, is it breaking still?
No. Sometimes in between.
Okay. Okay. That is the reason why I have joined from two devices. Okay. Chalo, very quickly. If you remember in the last class, what did we do? I told you about the formula. Do you remember? Yes? Yes, Barira, did you try doing it, beta? Okay. Now directly I'm going to move to the exercise. Wait, before I move, I want to show you something. Yeah, this we discussed, right? See, now one very important thing you should know. Are you all paying attention?
Yeah.
When we solve our sum, we find out the determinant. Okay, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, if d is equal to 0, then you will have two real equal roots. Real and equal roots. This I want you to write it down. Huh? If d is equal to 0, then what are we going to have? We're going to have two roots. We are going to have real roots and we are going to have equal roots. When I say roots, it means the solution. Is it very clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
When d is less than 0. Now, when I say less than 0, that means it will be in minus. Yes or no? Are you understanding what I'm speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
If you get less than 0, then you will not have any real root. You will have a non-real root. Okay, that means you will have not real roots. Okay. And in case you have d which is greater than 0, that means your D is coming in positive numbers, then you will have two real but different roots. Distinct roots means different roots, different answers. When D is 0, you will have same answers. Okay. When D is less than, you will have not real answers. That means you will have answers in negative. Okay. If D is greater than 0, then you will have two real answers.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, beta.
Good afternoon, teacher. I'm sorry,
Yeah, good
actually, I
afternoon.
wasn't there here.
Yeah.
Teacher, I didn't get the recording still. When will you send that?
Yeah, actually,
Yesterday's recording.
I was going through some technical issues, and that is the reason why I have not uploaded it still. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, teacher, no problem.
Yeah, I will do it. I will do it. Okay. We
Okay.
are trying to solve the quadratic equation using the formula. Okay. This is the formula.
Okay.
Yeah. I will just in the last class I've started this new. Okay. So that means I'm going to do the revision again today. Getting it? You
Okay.
have to
Yes.
remember. Yeah, you have to remember this formula. This is a formula to find the answer. That means find the solution. So it is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And you have to write this down that I have just mentioned. Okay. If you get
Okay, teacher.
determined, yeah, just write this down and I'll get back.
Okay.
What I lost the internet. Can you say what to write again?
See, this I made you write in the last class, the formula. Correct? You have written the formula, Barira. Now I want you to write down in the box that is there. And do you know what D is? Do you know what D is? D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So if you get the answer which is equal to 0, that means your roots are going to be real and equal. If you get the answer less than 0, then you are going to have non-real roots. And if your answer is greater than 0, then you will have two roots but different roots.
Which formula, teacher? Minus b square minus 4ac. That one?
Minus b, see the formula is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You can see I have put that plus there.
Yeah.
That is a formula. Plus minus root b square minus 4ac. And you have to write down this what I have written for you. For the word different, we can use the word distinct also.
Second one, d square 0.
Pardon?
The second one, not
Yeah,
a
d
real
less
root.
than. Yeah, d
Oh, d
less
less
than
than
0.
0.
Yeah, if you have d less than 0, that means if you get the answer in negative, then you will not have a real root. You will have roots also negative.
Okay.
Copied?
Yeah, copied, teacher.
Now we are moving towards the exercise. Look at 6.4, question number 1. Now when I look at my question number 1, Okay, the first thing I should be doing is I need to find out what is my A. Can you help me? What is my A?
3x square.
3. 3 is my A. Okay. What is my B?
7.
Minus 7. Correct? What is my C? 2?
2.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I need to find out the D first to know the nature of the roots. Because I just explained to you, if D is 0, then this. If D is less than 0, then this. If D is greater than 0, then this. Yes or no? I have explained to you the nature of the roots. So to find the nature of the roots, first thing that I need to find is D. Okay. What is D? I already told you what is D. B square minus 4AC. Do you agree? What is B square? Can I say minus 7 the whole square? Am I right? Minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Am I right? Is this become minus B square minus 4AC?
Teacher, from where did you get that minus 4 AC?
See, this is the formula, right?
Yeah.
I'm only substituting. Now, if I am supposed to write about 4, I'm writing 4 as it is of the formula. A is 3, and that is why I'm writing multiplied by 3. C is 2, and that is why I'm writing multiplied by 2. Is it clear? Yes,
Yeah.
I've only substituted, didn't do anything extra. Now tell me minus 7 the whole square. What is the answer that I will get for that? 7 का square क्या है? 49.
49 minus 49.
Minus becomes plus because I'm doing square. So minus 7 multiplied by minus 7. Minus plus it will become, and 7 multiplied by 7 will become 49. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I put that minus sign that is there in the formula. Now tell me 4 threes are. What is 4 threes are? 12. 12 twos are is 24. Can I write it like that?
Yes.
Okay. Now again, when I solve, what do I get? 49 minus 24. What am I going to get? Can I say 25?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to tell me D that I have got, is it less than 0 or greater than 0?
Greater than 0.
Greater.
If my D is greater than 0, what is the nature of the roots I will get? I will get 2 roots, I will get real roots, and I will get distinct
2 real
roots.
different roots. Okay. Yeah, I understood, teacher.
Yes, this is what we will have to do when we have to find the nature of the roots. So this is the first sum that I did with you. You can copy this down as it is. For all the other 3 also, we have to do the same thing to understand. We have to find D, only find D. Then that question number 2 is to solve it by the formula, which I had actually done one example in the previous lecture. I will repeat that also.
Done.
Everybody is done. Can I erase it? Pranav, are you understanding it?
Yes, ma'am. You can erase it, ma'am.
Okay. Safia done? Barira done?
Yeah, done, teacher.
Barira is not done. Write it quickly, beta.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Barira, should I clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now look at the second sum. Okay, quickly tell me A, B, and C. A is equal to 4.
A is equal
B
to
is
4, B is
equal
equal
to
to 12.
minus 12. C is
Yeah,
equal
minus
to
12.
9. Correct? Now we need to
Yeah.
find out D. Okay, so we know the formula to find out D. D is determinant, which means B square minus 4AC. I'm right? My B square.
That is a constant formula, teacher.
Yes,
I mean, for
yes,
all the
yes.
sums.
For
Okay.
all the determinant that you will have to find. Minus 12, the whole square, minus 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 9. Am I right, beta? Yes, Banita?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how do I solve it? Minus 12 the whole square. Square of 12 is 144. Minus will become positive. So, I have 144 here. Correct? Then I have to
Teacher,
put
one
yeah.
minute. Why did you put the 12 first? Minus 12 first? It's
Because B
okay.
square,
That is
no?
B. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Because
Okay.
that is B. Okay? Yeah. Now, I have to do minus 4AC. So, my A is 4. My C is 9. So, 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 9. Correct? 4 fours is 16. 16 multiplied by 9. What will that be? Again 144. Or if you can do it that way, you can do 9 fours are 36. 36 into 4 is also 144. So you can do it the way you find it easier.
It will come minus
Now,
144, right?
pardon?
Minus 12 raised to 2, it will come minus 144.
No. See, what mistake you all are doing is minus 12 ka square matlab minus 12 multiplied by minus 12. Do you agree, beta? Yes. So minus will become plus and 12 will become 144. So I will not get a minus 144. I will get 144. Then I will do that minus of the formula, that is B square minus 4AC wala minus. And then I will multiply 4 with 9. So I get 144 again. So if I get 144 minus 144, tell me what is that going to be equal to?
D is
Can I
equals
write
to
0?
0.
And if I have D is equal to 0, then what is the nature of the root?
Not
Two roots
real.
I'm going to have. Two roots I'm going to have. I'm going to have
Two
real
real
roots
equal root.
and I'm going to have equal roots. I'm going to have two roots, real roots, equal roots. This is how you will get the answer. Got it? Any difficulty in understanding any point, any line you have not understood? You want me to explain again? Can I clear it? Now
Yeah, you can
Barira
clear
was
it,
quick.
teacher.
Barira was quick this time. Good. Sufyan, done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
What all fishes do you have, Sufyan, in your fish tank?
2 goldfish, 2 baby shark.
2 goldfish and
2 baby sharks.
oh my God, these sharks are going to become big. Then you will have to bring a bigger fish tank. Okay. Chalo. Can I clear the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, quickly we'll do the third sum. What is my A? 25.
25.
What is my B?
20.
20. Okay. And what is my C?
4.
4.
4. ठीक है. B square minus 4AC करना है for D. So D is going to be B square, that means 20, the whole square minus 4 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 4. Am I right? Tell me if I have gone wrong somewhere. Now tell me, what is 20 square going to be? Can I say 400?
Yes.
Yes. What is 4 multiplied by 25?
100.
100. Correct? And what is 100 multiplied by 4? 400.
400.
So 400 minus 400 I'm going to get. So what am I going to get?
T is equals
Zero.
to 0.
So
0.
if it is 0, then what is my answer going to be? 2
Real
real
equal roots.
equal roots. Correct? Is it getting easier?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will only change my A, B, and C here for the fourth sum. Tell me, what is my A for the fourth sum? Can I say 1?
Yeah.
For B, can I say minus 1?
Yes.
For C, can I say 1?
Yeah. But there is no equal to 0.
Yes?
There is no equal to 0.
You can write that. Quadratic equation is always equated to 0. You can write that.
But there's no equal to 0. Why should we
You
add
can
them?
write. It's okay. Is equal to 0. You can write it. Doesn't
Okay.
mind. We'll only put A, B, and C in their places and check
How
what
can
answer
we
we
write
get.
equal to 0?
Pardon?
How can we write equal to 0?
See, when there is nothing on the other side, what does it mean? It's equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
If it's written
Okay.
5 plus
Because
1.
yeah, no. See, it is not like that. It is a quadratic equation, and quadratic equation where the degree is 2. To call this a quadratic equation, we are supposed to equate it to 0. If you remember, it was one of the conditions when we were learning about quadratic equation, whether it is a quadratic equation or not a quadratic equation. Okay, so if they have not given you, you can write it equated to 0.
Just to
Okay.
confuse us, they didn't give that 0, I think.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay, minus 1 the whole square. Tell me, what is it going to be? 1. 1 minus 4 ones are. What is 4 ones are? 4. And 4 ones is again 4. Am I right? What is 1 minus 4? Can I say minus 3?
Minus 3.
And what if I get D, which is less than D less than 0? Then?
Not real root.
Yes. So can I say unreal roots? Directly unreal roots. Got it?
Yeah.
Safia, clear?
Yes.
Okay. Can I erase it? Because I will do one formula sum today again, like how I did in the previous class. So one formula sum again I will do, so that it is again a revision for the ones who were there in the previous class. It is an introduction for the ones who were not there in the class. Can I clear the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I have asked you to write down the formula. Have you written the formula?
Yeah, I wrote.
Yes. What is it? X is equal to, tell me, minus B
Minus b plus or minus the root b square minus 4ac.
correct.
1, 2.
Yes. I'll just put this properly. It has to be plus or minus. Okay, we should have one line here. Okay, and we should put this also in a line. That means it will come like this. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, whenever you have to solve any quadratic equation using the formula, the first thing you will find out is you will find out A, B, and C of that particular quadratic equation. Now look at 2, 1. What is your A? Tell me. 1.
You're doing the second one.
I'm doing second ka first one.
1.
1. What is B?
14.
Minus 14.
14. Yeah.
Yeah. What is C? Minus 12.
Minus 12.
Okay. Now the first thing what we will do is we will try to find out B square minus 4AC. Okay. We will find out this determinant first. This much part you should be finding out before you start solving in the formula, and just we will substitute whatever we get here in the formula and solve the answer. Getting me? Okay. So I'm going to find out D first, which is equal to B square minus 4AC. Okay. Now when I do B square, what is my B square? Can I say minus 14 the whole square?
Yeah.
Minus 4 multiplied by my A is 1 and my B is minus 12. Am I right? Yes, Barira, are you paying attention? Are you getting me? Okay. Now, anybody who can tell me what is 14 square? $15 square is 225. What is 14 square?
196.
196.
Yes. And will I get negative or positive?
Positive.
Positive, yes. So I will put a minus sign for that 4 wala thing now. 4 multiplied by 1. What is 4 multiplied by 1? 4. And 4
4,
multiplied by minus 12 is going to be minus 48. Am I right? Now what do I get? 196 minus will become plus 48. Am I right? What is 196 plus 48? 244.
Yeah, 244.
Okay. Now I am going to substitute this D that I have got in my formula. Okay.
But there is no D in that formula.
No, I have B square minus 4AC. No, this is what I found. No. What is D, beta?
What is that raised to after plus minus?
This is for the root.
Oh, the raised to sign.
That's what I'm saying. I had actually put that raised to sign. But then now I put that root sign. No. Don't consider this at all.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what I thought. It looked different.
Okay. What is D? D is nothing but B square minus 4AC. Correct? So now I'm going to substitute in the place of B square minus 4AC. I'm going to put 244. So I'm going to write X is equal to minus B. Now what is minus B? Minus 14. Am I right? What is my minus B? Look at the formula and see how I'm substituting.
Yeah,
it.
minus 14.
See. Are you getting it? Sharia,
Yeah.
are you getting it? Sufyan, are you getting it? Barira, are you getting it? I'm putting here. I'm putting it in the formula. I'm taking the values from this. And I'm writing it. Okay? Now I have to write plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. What is root of? Upon 2a. Okay? 2 multiplied by a. What is a for me? 1. Am I right?
Can you 12 plus minus and
Writing. You have to understand your teacher has to do it on the computer and not on the paper. So it will take time for her to do. Correct, Veda? One day I told you all to annotate, no? You all knew how difficult it
It's
was,
actually
right?
very hard to write it on the screen.
But with practice, I have learned it, but these signs take time to do. Now, have you understood how I substituted it? Yes? Chalo.
Yeah.
Now what do I get? I get x is equal to minus 14. What will minus 14 become? Tell me.
plus
28 plus 28.
No, re Baba. Minus of minus 14. Minus sign will become positive,
Okay,
right?
okay. I thought that is a square.
No. It's not a square. Okay, so we'll get 14. Then again, I will get plus minus 244 upon 2. Am I right, beta?
Teacher, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
In the formula, in the textbook, you don't have that plus or minus. We only have plus. So why are you writing plus or
No.
minus?
We have plus and minus both. It is
Okay.
there. It is there. I will show it to you in the textbook. In the previous page, it is very clearly given.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you written this much?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have to look at this number 244. Okay. And we need to do prime factorization for this number. 244. Do you know how to do prime factorization? We'll start with 2. Yes. What will I
You are
get?
telling about the LCM method, teacher.
Yes. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2 twos are correct. Again, it will go with 2. Am I right? Yes.
Yeah.
So now what do I get? 6 and 1. Am I correct?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Now can I further put it down? Will it go in any table? It will not go. Okay. So that means what am I getting? I am getting, see how do I write it? 14 plus minus. Okay. In the root, I'm writing 4 multiplied by 61. Will I get 244? Tell me. Upon 2. Yes or no? You know what I have done? I have actually broken down 244 in such a way that I get one square number and one non-square number. Now I'll tell you why I did that. Okay, I'll tell you why I did that. Now what am I getting? I'm getting 14 plus minus. Okay, 4 बाहर आ जाएगा रूट से तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 हो जाएगा. 2 root 61. Tell me yes or no. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Upon 2. Now what I will do is, out of the first 2, I am going to take 2 common outside. Now when I take 2 common outside, what am I going to get? 2. Then in bracket, I'm going to get 7. Then I'm going to get plus, minus, root 61 upon 2. Do you agree? Yes? I've taken 2 common for the first 2.
Teacher, I didn't understand. Where did that 4 go now?
Which 4? 14 is there.
No, not that one.
2,
In the previous step, we wrote that 14
4.
plus or minus. Yeah.
This 4. Now see root 4. What is root 4? Tell me. 2 2s are 4, right? So root of 4 is
Yeah.
2. When
Then
4
for
comes
the
out,
root 61 also we have to write.
root
Oh,
61 I
61
will not
doesn't
get
go.
because it is not a square number. 4 is a
Yeah,
square
yeah.
number. So I am going to remove it out of the root and I will write it 2. Now I have got 14 and I have got 2. Both go in 2 times table. Yes. So I remove that out. Now when I remove that out, 2 sevens is going to be 14. And 2 multiplied by root 61 is going to be 2 root 61. Yes or no? And you know why I took this out common? Because I want to cut it with the 2 that is in the bottom to get the answer. So now my x is equal to either my x is 7 plus root 61 or it is 7 minus root 61. That plus minus which I was writing together, now while writing the answer, I'm putting it differently. One root is plus, the other root is minus. And this is going to be your answer. Understood?
The last 2 steps are a bit confusing.
Yes, they are. And you will get it only with practice. See, if you leave your answer like this here, like how we had got here, because till here it is simply, correct? If you leave it here, this is not a solved thing. And one more thing, you cannot cut this 2 with this 7 here. Huh? Remember that. Because you have plus minus here. You don't have multiply here to cut it. You are
But
understanding?
then here also the same thing.
No,
Teacher,
here it's not the same thing. Here it is got multiplied now. Now, do I have 2 plus 7 plus 61 or do I have 2 multiplied by 7?
2 multiplied by 7.
So when it is multiplied, I can do the cutting part. If it is plus and minus, I can't do the cutting part. Getting it?
Yeah, okay. That's why you
Is
put the plus
that-
or minus after the 7.
Yes, yes. This is the part where you will have to do a lot of practice. Solving the quadratic equation formula-wise is easier, but solving this part becomes a little tough. Barira has a very big question mark on her face. So you have to tell me what is that question mark, then I will be able to help you.
Is confused a little, but now I get it.
Yeah, you'll get it. You'll get it. Because I'm telling you every reason why I'm doing that. So you have to understand.
Ma'am, can you explain the last step?
Yes, yes. Now see what I have got. Yeah.
Okay, so this 14 goes on other side, so it will become
It
into
is not going on the
multiplication.
other side. It is remaining on the same side only. We are not taking it on the other side at all. It is on the same side.
So what are we doing? How did it turn into 7?
Okay. See, have you understood till this step? I will do
I
it.
just want last 2 steps.
Okay, I'll do that. This step understood? Okay, now in this step, what did I do? I only multiplied 2 ones and wrote, and minus sign I changed. Okay, what did I do in this step is, this number that was a root number 244, I split it in such a way that I got one root number and one non-root number, correct? Square number and non-square number. In this step, what did I do? I took this 4, root 4, I took 2 outside. Am I right? So I wrote 14 plus minus 2 root 61 upon 2. Okay. Now you can see the numbers 14 and 2. Both. Can I remove something in common and out of 14 and 2? I can remove 2 outside. So I took common of 14. Yes, beta?
You can remove 2, ma'am.
Yeah, I removed 2 common outside. So when I remove 2 common outside, what do I get inside the bracket? 2 7s is 14. Am I right? So I wrote 7 inside. Plus minus sign as it is. 2 multiplied by root 61. Am I not going to get 2 root 61? Yes. And now when I get 2 outside common, I cut it and I get my answer. Got it? Sufyan, clear beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No.
Have you all written it down?
Yeah.
Okay. So I end my class for today here. Do this sum again. Revise, put your heads into it. And I will do the other sum in the next class so that again revision will happen. And you will get the sum well. Okay, that is the reason I just don't do one sum and leave it. And I don't do it in one class also. So that, you get time to practice. Okay? Chalo, bye-bye. Have a great day.
Hi, ma'am.
Teacher, I have a doubt in science. The
Yeah.
third question. What I do is I write in pencil, then afterwards I try to do the sums which you do in class by my own. So I'm
Okay.
not getting the right one. For the in-text question, we did the third sum, which we did
3.2.
H2SO4. Yeah.
Right. Okay, we'll do it in the next science class. No problem.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
you just remind me. Remind me.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.